Getting in and out of a Toyota Tundra CrewMax can be a real workout, especially if you've got a lift kit or oversized tires. That's where running boards come in handy. They make life easier, protect your rocker panels, and add some style to your ride. Today I'm breaking down the best running boards for the Tundra CrewMax, from number 7 down to number 1. All product links are in the description, and if you don't see the right fit for your truck's year, hit my website down there for more options. The Rough Country 6-inch electric running boards are next level. They deploy automatically with dual motor tech, giving a smooth step every time. The LED lights kick on in the dark, and the anti-slip surface feels rock solid, even in wet or icy weather. With 660 pounds capacity per side, they're built tough. Plus, when retracted, they protect your rocker panels and tuck in for a sleek look. YitaMotor steps bring that sharp, practical design. With a 3.5-inch drop, they make climbing in and out simple without sacrificing ground clearance. Built from carbon steel with triple powder coating, they're tough against rust and UV rays. Each one can hold up to 400 pounds, and they install in about 20 minutes with no drilling. Perfect for a quick DIY upgrade. Trumgeta boards are off-road friendly and easy to install. No drilling, just use the stock mounting points. Made from premium steel, each step supports 350 pounds. They mount flush to keep ground clearance for trails, and the powder coating holds up against scratches and corrosion. With an anti-slip texture, they keep footing secure even in rain or snow, making them a solid daily use option. Tyger Auto Rider steps give you that oval tube design with a wider 3.5-inch step pad, so you've got more stability. The carbon steel build supports up to 500 pounds, with a textured finish that resists rust and keeps a rugged look. Installation is simple, no drilling required, and the 5-year warranty backs up Tyger's reputation for reliability. oEdRo steps drop down 4.7 inches, which is perfect for taller trucks or families needing easy entry. They've got a tough square tube design supporting up to 450 pounds, plus a 4-inch wide anti-slip pad for secure footing. The dual-stage coating resists rust and corrosion, and installation is straightforward. These add a bold, aggressive look while keeping your truck functional and protected. Yzona boards stand out with their 2-step design, great if you're running lift kits or big tires. They've got a 6-inch drop pad shaped like a leaf for comfort and grip. Each side handles up to 550 pounds thanks to heavy-duty carbon steel construction. They're laser cut for precision, powder coated for rust resistance, and install in about 20 minutes with no cutting. Finally, the Othowe running boards take the top spot. They're built from heavy-duty carbon steel with a wide drop step that makes entry easy while adding side protection. Each board holds more than 450 pounds, and the non-slip tread keeps them safe in all conditions. They install without drilling and bring a clean but aggressive look to your Tundra CrewMax. Durable, functional, and stylish. These check all the boxes. So there you have it, the best side steps for Toyota Tundra CrewMax. From electric retractable boards to rugged drop steps, there's a perfect fit no matter how you use your truck. Remember, all product links are in the description, and if you don't see the right year, check my website linked there as well. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more truck gear reviews and tips.